Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable PIN password on Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our screen, navigate to the settings, then look for device options, enter privacy and security, then there's the device PIN. When you want to activate it, then click on the switch. You will need to enter your PIN and then continue. And right here our device PIN is activated. You can always change it in the same privacy and security settings right here. And if you want to deactivate it, then click on the switch again, enter your current PIN, click on continue, and the password should be disabled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.